Today in the livestock complex, cattle did rise. The strong beef values did support that uptrend, and the market continues to grind higher. Trade talks offer hope, but still uncertain as to market direction. It's slow and steady moving upward, and so we're just staying right on track. In spite of the fact that we've had a big jump in the grain market, that would have definitely put a lid on the markets really having any kind of significant rally. We're seeing now that the live cattle is starting to, catch up with the feeders. Today, feeders were just steady, really trying to grind back to unchanged today. The sluggish cash trade to end the week just tells the tale right now. But the futures are kind of consolidating a little bit, and they did have the big jump up, so we're hanging on to those numbers, and we're trying to wait a little bit to bring the live cattle along. Normally, it's the opposite. But also looking at some of the weather issues, the snow has really had minimal effect on the livestock market and certainly on the beef side. And so now we're just on a wait and see. Is there going to be a trade deal? Time will tell. Will we see what happens on Tuesday? Who knows? Even with the grains rallying as much as they did, if there's any follow through on Tuesday, it certainly could have a big effect on the cattle side of this livestock complex. So we're going to watch that one closely. Hogs were higher today. Exports to China is really driving the market. There is real optimism that this deal is going to happen, and we're going to start to move forward. The continued buying from China, China that has been buying some pork, is expected to move at least to the end of the year, regardless if we get a deal. But let's make no mistake here that the deal means most to all the pork producers and that side of the livestock complex. But there are no guarantees, so we are watching this very, very closely. We're all going to be crossing our fingers that we come back on Tuesday with smiles on our face. If that happens, we could see a real good rise in the market finally, and get things start to move. It has been so long since we've had this tariff war, we almost don't know how to operate in these markets right now. But I think that there could be something positive ahead on this long weekend.